Hi and welcome. My name is Harmony Nelson. I am the initiator of Emerge with Harmony with Pixels, a tech program designed to help students like you and I build valuable tech skills while in school. I'm a website developer and also studying to be a data scientist and machine learning expert. But I've been in the tech industry for 3 years now, and during this time, I have learned and experienced a lot that inspired me to start this initiative. Emerge with Harmony with Pixels is scheduled to happen every semester, and every edition will be hosted at different school or venues. It will be in Abuja, it will be in Lafayette, it will be in Port Harcourt or Lagos or anywhere. Because every edition we get to learn and break into a new tech skill or career. Now, this program is focused on students, especially those who want to prepare for life after school. You see, lots of students graduate and struggle to find jobs or cope or adapt with real life situations. But having a tech skill really change the game or change the story. Even while in school, after lectures, during your free time or weekends, you can learn a tech skill, become project, and even imagine being good with your hands, be it fashion, your craft, or syringe, and still skilled at tech. That would be an amazing combo that sets you apart. Now, Emerge is not just about making money in the tech industry. It's also about exposure and growth. In tech, you get to meet amazing people, you get to connect with clients and build confidence on real life projects and tasks. So guys, I'm inviting you today to join Emerge. Let's grow together, let's learn together, let's break into tech together. Now, for the first edition, we are diving into website development and a venue will be school, Federal University of Lafayette. I want to see you there. Please don't end this year or even finish school without having a tech skill or career. See you soon and bye.